Ito po ang totoong dahilan bakit nag-withdraw at winidraw ng public and private prosecutors ang kanilang iba pang testigo sa Article 4 pagbabanta ni Sara Duterte sa buhay ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ito po ang sinasabi ng lead impeachment prosecutor, yung lead counsel, Congresswoman Jinky Luistro. Pakinggan po natin.
The same concern on redundancy, surplusage, and lack of necessity. The prosecution further manifests that we will not be presenting as well the following witnesses for Article 4, that is threat. Number 1, Your Honor, is the Philippine National Police Firearms and Explosives Office representative. The witness intended to testify that the respondent owns firearms, including the high-powered ones, which demonstrate the capacity and capability to execute the threat. On the other hand, Your Honor, it has been shown already that the government took seriously the threat. As a matter of fact, it prompted the full-scale investigation, including the recommendation to file a criminal complaint. Number 2, Your Honor, is Michael Flores and Bons Magsambol. They belong to the press who were present during the November 23 video conference. They will be testifying that they were among the reporters or media persons who were present during the video conferencing, and to the fact that they heard the respondent utter the threat against the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. On the other hand, Your Honor, the testimony of Agent Calilong already established that the video is authentic, plus considering, Your Honor, the defense's subsequent admission that the same are authentic videos, Your Honor. Number 3, Your Honor, is Sheriff Abe Andres. The witness intended to testify on the 2011 incident pertaining to the violence allegedly committed by the respondent on the sheriff. On the other hand, Your Honor, during the past proceedings, it has been acknowledged by both parties. Particularly, it was acknowledged already that the occurrence of this incident of 2011, so we deem it unnecessary as well to present this particular witness. Number 4, Your Honor, is the family member of a victim of threats. The witness intended to testify on the effect, the gravity, and the seriousness of the threat allegedly committed by the respondent. On the other hand, Your Honor, Attorney Lotto already testified that threat is a private crime and its prosecution does not depend on the complaint, participation, and even the subjective feeling of the victim, including his families. Finally, Your Honor, the psychiatrist. The witness intended to testify on the respondent's state of mind, the nature of the violence in the statement made, as well as the capacity and capability to actually execute the threat. On the other hand, Your Honor, both parties have sufficiently established already the circumstances surrounding the statements made by the respondent in the authenticated video. The same is true with respect to the respondent's own subsequent confirmation of those statements, as well as the testimonies already presented. Your Honor, considering that these 5 witnesses are included in our pre-trial order, Your Honor, we respectfully withdraw their names among the prosecution's witnesses for Article 4 threat. This withdrawal, Your Honor, renders Attorney Melvin Matibag, the NBI Director, as our last witness for threat, who will be testifying this coming Monday. Tuesday, Your Honor. Likewise, Your Honor, The prosecution acknowledges the 5-day notice rule. However, considering that the decision to forgo the testimony of Attorney Zuleika Lopez, as well as that of Captain Belinda Bello, came only after the conclusion of the testimony of Attorney Lotok, plus considering, Your Honor, the earlier manifestation, which will render Attorney Matibag the last witness for threat. We would like to beg the kind indulgence of the Honorable Impeachment Court to note our next witnesses. This will be in support of Article 1, Confidential Fund.
Yun.
And if
Ayun, iba na ho yun. So, malinaw. Yung mga dahilan, bakit winidraw yung bali 7, 5 plus yung 2 nauna. Bello at saka Lopez. Malinaw yung sinasabi ni Lead Prosecutors Luistro, Congresswoman Luistro ng Batangas, na magiging redundant na lang, magiging paulit-ulit na lang yung magiging pahayag ng mga susunod. At dahilan yan, kaya nila wini-withdraw. Dahil napatunayan na, okay, ni Nakalilong at Loto, at kinonfirm din po ng defense team yung video kung saan nagsasalita ng pagbabanta at pagmumura si Sara Duterte, Vice President ng bansa, laban kay Pangulong Marcos, First Lady at dating Speaker, na merong inutusan na pag may nangyari sa kanya ay kunin ang buhay ng 3 ng First Family. Ganon katindi po. Yun ang na-establish sa Article 4. Kaya sa halip na maaabot ng 11 days yung trial sa Article 4, next week pwede na matapos yan. Dahil ang pinakahuli nga po na kanilang testigo at ihaharap si Director Matibag ng NBI. Lalabas ngayon na dating 10 ata yan na testigo, naging 3 na lang. At lahat taga-NBI, Director, Division Chief na si Loto, Director Matibag, Division Chief na si Loto, Atty. Loto, at si Agent CPA na si Kalilong. Dahil nga ang mahalaga dyan, yung video, yun lang naman eh. Okay? Na talagang doon naman nagsabi. At yun iginamit pa nga ng defense sa kailang cross-examination. Yung video, nag-play pa nga sila sa court. Ibang portion, pero iisang video. At kinonfirm ng testigong si Loto, iisang video. Yung pinagkunan ng cross-examination ng depensa at ng presentation ng prosecutors. Kaya doon ang kanilang conclusion ay na-establish na iisang video at walang iba kung hindi ang pangalawang Pangulo ang nagsasalita doon sa press conference. At yung mga iba pang interview na hindi siya nag-deny na siya merong inutusan na para nga po sa buhay ng Pangulo. Antindi yan, yan ang betrayal of public trust na sinasabi noon pa ng mga prosecutors, public and private. At yan din ang aking paniniwalang personal. Betrayal of public trust, ang pagbabanta sa Pangulo ng pangalawang Pangulo. Dahil pag may nangyari, siya ang makikinabang. Ano yun? Bakit ganon? Bawal yun.